god, I look like I'm in a Star Wars. I want to relax and enjoy the moment of this. Hello everyone, welcome back once again to another video. Today I'll be doing unboxing. I received this product from Eyco Beauty, but before I start, I would like to say thank you Eyco Beauty for sending me this beautiful product. I can't wait to unbox this and try it out, and I'm so honored to be part of your campaign, so thank you very much. So this is the product that I received from Eyco Beauty. This is a LED facial mask or lid facial mask, and I actually opened the box already because I can't wait. I'm so excited. But here it is. So this is the box. It said LED light therapy mask. Alright, so let's open it. Wow. So nice. It's so interesting, guys. So there's a manual. So that's the manual. And this is the mask. Wow. It's very well packed as well, guys. There's a bubble wrap, so it's very safe. Wow. Oh my god, this is awesome. Look at that. I'm so excited. Alright, and there's a cable and there's a remote. So that's a remote, guys. And this is the band for this mask. So we'll attach this one in here so we can wear this later. And what is this? So this is the, and it's New Zealand, which is awesome. Thank you very much, Eyco Beauty. So I'm just gonna connect this band here so it's easy for me to use later. So it's easy to insert the band, guys. So you just need to push. That's it. So before I start using this, I'm just gonna read the manual first so we can know the functions and the benefits about this product before using it. So this mask is known as the Magic Light LED Light Photon Skin Rejuvenator, and it is introduced of South Korea's newest hair dressing technology of a kind of biological active luminescence. It does not produce heat. Application of pure light untouch some of the low energy light tune of skincare technology and treatment. It has a natural mild significant effect, low risk, no side effects, and other characteristics of the skincare experts. The nature applicable to all types of skin, which is good. I really love that there is no side effects and it's suitable for all skin types. So let's talk about the functions of this mask. So they call this as an LED skin mask instrument. So this instrument uses the principle of light irradiation, both simple and safe, but also to be used to achieve the purpose of facial skincare. It solves the whitening, skin aging problem, perfect for me, and increase activity of cells, promote cell metabolism, make the skin secretion of collagen and fibrous tissue to fill itself. It accelerates blood reflux, increase skin elasticity, and improve skin complexion, dull conditions, so as to achieve whitening, skin rejuvenation, wrinkles, repair, blemish effect. So it has a 7 different color code light. It has red, blue, green, yellow, purple, blue, laser light, and each light has a different effect. So before I go ahead, let's just connect everything here because I'm trying to figure out how to use this because it's also my first time, guys. So I already connect the USB cable here, and this remote, you need to connect this one here, and this one you need to connect this one here as well, so it's all connected. So I'm gonna turn this on, power, and then on. So let's talk about the functions of each light, but I'm just gonna try to summarize everything here to make it short, guys, because it's quite long. So let's start of red light. So the red light is for collagen, and it accelerates the blood circulation, increase skin elasticity, improve the yellow skin, dull, so as to achieve the effect of anti-aging, antioxidation, repair. So the main effect of the red light is whitening pale spot, tender skin, anti-wrinkle. Oh, I love the red light already. Repair damaged skin, smooth the fine wrinkles, shrink pores, hyperplasia of collagen. Oh, I can't wait to use the red light, guys. So speaking of collagen, collagen is very important to our body, guys. Every year, the older we get, every year we lose percent of collagen in our body. That's why we have dry skin and saggy eyes, saggy face, because we're getting older, and collagen will help you prevent that or make it slow down to getting older. As you all know, I'm 33 years old. I'm turning 34 this coming September. And even though many say that I still look young, but for me, I feel old. I'm getting old, so as much as possible, I want to keep my skin healthy, and skincare and beauty devices like this helps a lot. So I'm so grateful to have this. Now let's proceed to the blue light. The blue light destroys the bacteria, minimize acne, inflammation, and in a short span of time period to heal acne is significantly reduced. So the blue light is all about acne, guys. So the purple light, it is red and blue dual band light. It is a combination of two kinds of phototherapy effect, especially in the treatment of acne, and acne mark has special good effect and repair effect. So the yellow light, it add energy to skin cells, promote gland function, assist digestion, treatment of skin diseases, enhance the immune function. So the green light, neutralization, balance and safety purposes, relieve mental stress and effective dredge lymphoid and edema. Green blue light. Green blue can sequential enhance cell energy intake of Zhejiang on the metabolism have a good role in promoting. So the laser light, which is the white light, it penetrates the skin deep, speeds up the living tissue of Shinsen metabolism, decompose splash, improve the appearance of fine lines and sagging skin. Oh, I love the white light as well. So all the instructions on how to use this mask, everything's here in the manual, guys, so you can refer it here. But I'm just gonna tell you the usage of this mask. You can use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, and the recommended time, it said here, usually 15 to 30 minutes, and the power control box automatically turn off. And also, it's forbidden to use to pregnant woman, baby, of course, children, any person who has sick. So just refer here as well, guys. Right, so let's try this one. I know I'm supposed to clean my face before using this, guys, but it's alright. I'm just gonna try this for a bit because I don't want to keep you waiting for 15 to 30 minutes. I'm just gonna try the light and if it fits, because it's adjustable as well. So just for a bit. Oh my god, I look like I'm in a Star Wars. Okay, I need to adjust. Alright, that's it, guys. So I'm supposed to close my eyes while using this, guys, and you're not allowed to read or to watch TV, so just close your eyes and relax. But I can't see. I want to change the color, so just for a bit. So let's turn this on. So this is the red. So oh my god, it's really nice. So you see, guys, this is the with collagen. Oh, it feels relaxing. So I'm gonna change the color. This is the green, the purple, this is the pink. It's like there's a purple and a pink, yellow, the blue, and this is the laser light. And I noticed something inside the laser light, looks like it's moving. It's so cool. Oh my god, this is really nice, and it feels warm and relaxing already, guys. I can't wait to try this again. I mean, to use this again later before I go to bed. So back to red. Alright. Right, so just a quick try, guys, because I still need to clean my face and I want to relax and enjoy the moment of this. So before I go to bed, I'm gonna use this. It is very nice to have your own beauty instrument than going out, go to beauty clinics, especially this pandemic. So you prefer to stay home and have your own, and it's expensive to going out, just my opinion. So I'd rather have my own. So that's it, guys. So if you're interested to this beauty instrument and if you want to know how much the price, you can check out their website link. I'm gonna put their link in my description box below so you can check it out. Also, they offer other products as well, so just check it out, guys. So this is the end of my video. I hope this video helps. If you like this video, I hope you don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing down below. And once again, thank you so much, Eyco Beauty, for sending me this beautiful beauty instrument. Feel free to share this video as well, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.